Today I'll be teaching you how to make egg roll and buns, the same recipe. So we have 250-gram flour. This is our boiled egg. We're using milk flavor. We have our 35-gram of margarine. We have our baking powder. We have our nutmeg. We have sugar, and then we have our salt. So I'll be using this table. So make sure your hands are clean and your work surface is also clean. So I've sieved my flour. Make sure you sieve your flour anytime you are using flour. Sieve it. Make a hole like this. Then we'll be adding all our dry ingredients together. First, add your sugar. This is 35-gram of sugar. So add your sugar. Add your milk flavor. We're using half teaspoon of milk flavor. That's our milk flavor. Then we'll also be using half teaspoon of baking powder. We're using half teaspoon of nutmeg as well. Half teaspoon of nutmeg. Then we have our salt. We'll also be using half teaspoon of salt. Half teaspoon of salt. And that is it. So you mix everything together. Mix it. So at this point we'll be adding our margarine. This is 35-gram of margarine. You need your kitchen scale to measure it. So you use your fingertips to mix it together as if you are making meat pie dough to form crumbs like that. Just to incorporate the butter and your dry ingredients together. If you want to increase the recipe, you can increase it or reduce if you want. So at this point we'll be adding our water. So our water calls for 200 ml of water. That's like 1 cup. That's like 1 cup of water. So this is you can add more water depending on your flour. Some flour take more water. So add your water bit by bit. Add it gradually. Don't add everything at once. Make sure that everything is well mixed. So you continue to knead until everything is together. So at this point, after kneading for 5 minutes, this is what we have. So you grab your kitchen scale. So you are going to cut it bit by bit. We are going to cut 80 grams so that it will be equal. The same recipe for buns and egg roll. So we need 80 grams. This is 70. Or you can use 70. Anyone. So I'll get some water. And rub your hands with water. And then grab your dough and shape it so that it will come out crunchy. Just mold. Just mold it like that. For 30 minutes. So you do that for everything. So this is what we have. You are going to leave that for 30 minutes before you now fry it. So this is our dough after 30 minutes. So I'll be rolling the egg one. So sticking together. So you just make it flat like this. Can you see? Make it flat. Add your egg, and then you bring it together. You have to make sure you close it properly so that it will not be coming out. It just burst open. So make sure you roll it well. Can you see how I wrapped it? It's very easy. Can you see? So you are going to do that for everything. Another one, your egg. Then you bring it together like this. You see? And make sure you close it properly so that it will not open. Can you see? Very easy, simple and nice. Place your pot with your oil. We're frying on low heat. Let's test it. So this is the normal bun without egg. Then this one has egg. So you make sure you don't overcrowd it. Don't overcrowd it. And make sure to fry on low heat. And make sure you turn it so that some parts will not be done while the other part is being done. So at this point it is done. And you see, wow. You can spread your parchment paper. This is what it looks like after frying.